Hi everyone. Now we are here to discuss about research and its meaning. First we will see what is research. Research is an art of scientific investigation. Why we call it as scientific investigation is it is regarded as a systematic effort to gain knowledge. The main purpose of research is to gain new knowledge. In this world, everything is existing. If we want to gain new knowledge, we have to investigate. That's why in research we investigate using various methods. Dictionary meaning of research is a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. See, especially we will be focusing on the social research. So, our branch of knowledge is social research with regard to human resource management. If you see this one, if you want to buy a mobile phone, what is the procedures you follow? What we will do in this millennial era, we go for searching through internet. First, we will go to search through internet. First option will be in the current generation. Then what we will do, we will ask our friends. Then we will review the opinion of others through various sites. Through various websites, we review the opinion of others. Then we will go to shops and inquire. Okay, these are the procedures we follow to gain knowledge. Based on the knowledge what we have gained, we take decisions. So research is systematic investigation to gain knowledge to take any decision. If you see another example in human resource point of view, if we want to study employee feels like he is not satisfied with his job or he is not recognized, no promotion, if he feels like I'm not getting promotion, my job is not enlarged, I'm not enriched in this organization, then these kind of situations we go to study why. We want to know why he feels like that. What is the background he feels like that? Okay. Based on the results what we gain from the investigation which is done through an employee, we go for a strategy. How to make employees feel like more satisfied. They feel like they are recognized. We have to formulate some strategies. We will see the definition of research methodology. Research methodology is a specific procedure or technique which is used to identify, select, process and analyze information about any research question. So, when we go to an inquiry, when there is a question to answer, when we need answer for something, we will go to inquiry. Okay, for that we follow some specific procedure. We need to follow a procedure, one by one procedure and techniques. It's a systematic way. We go step by step process. Okay, we go in very specific procedure or techniques to identify, select, process and analyze the information. Where are we going to get information? Identification of information. What kind of information we need? Okay, it is a systematic procedure. Where are we going to collect information? To whom we want to collect information? How are we going to collect information? Then, when are we going to collect information? What kind of information we need? This is what why is the research question. What kind of conclusions we want to arrive from the research question? This is what is research methodology is all about. Thank you.